Okay, now let's start solving some word problems on rectangles. And we get three problems here. We are going to solve them together. And what it says, a rectangular room is twice as long as it is wide, and its perimeter is 54 meters. Find the length of the room. So let's take care of some keywords right now. It's it's a question of a rectangular room. That's a rectangle. The other keyword is twice. Twice is two times. As long as it is wide. The width is W. And the perimeter is under keyword here is 54 meters. We need to pay attention to that because we're going to use it. And the prompt is find the length. We're going to go after the length of the room. Since it is a rectangular shape, let's sketch a rectangle right here. Okay, we get this rectangle. Remember, the two parallel sides from up to bottom are called the length of the rectangle. The two parallel side here, and the two parallel sides, from left to right is called the width. All right, let's put some values into those letters here. It says the room is about is twice as long. So the length is equal to two times the width. That's what this one says. Twice as long as it is wide. So the length is two times the width. Okay. And it says that the perimeter is 54 meters. I'm going to put P here is equal to 54 meters. All right. So now they want me to find the length of the room. Uh, when it comes to the rectangle, we get two formulas that would help us how to find the length or the width of the room. So the first one, you may have known it. This is A is equal to LW. So the length times the width. However, in the problem here, there is no question of A. So we're not going to be using this formula. The other one is P is equal to 2L plus 2W. Okay, that's the second formula. Yes, this one we can use because they give us P here. Okay, for this one we won't be able to use that. But for the second one, they give us P. We get the P here. All right, so since we get P, we are going to plug the value of P over here. But P is equal to 54 meters. So we're going to put 54 here is equal to 2L, but L is equal to twice the width. So 2W plus this 2W get here. All right. So the second, what we're going to do now, we're going to distribute the 2, or not, but multiply 2 times 2W. Okay. And we get 54. We get 54. That's is equal to 4W. 2 times 2 is 4W plus 2W. And let's combine those two terms. 54 is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6W. Okay? And now the last step is to divide by 6, both sides. Both sides by 6. So this is 1, and we get W. W is equal to, W here is equal to 54 times divided by 6. is 9. Okay, but I'm not gonna, circle 9 because W is not the answer they asked. The answer is the length. But remember, the length, we got it here, is equal to twice W. So I need 2 times W to find the length. So if W is equal to 9, and this implies the length is equal to 2 times 9. And the length is equal to 18 meters. And once we have that, we put this, okay, this is 18 meters. That's for this problem. 18 meters. All right? And let's go and work with the other one. We're going to solve the other one. Okay. We get the length of a rectangular garden is 10 feet longer than its width. The garden perimeter is 184 meters. Find the width of the garden. Okay, let's go. It's the same thing. It's a rectangular garden, and it is 10, the other keyword, 10 feet longer than. Okay, that's another thing we need to pay attention to. And they give you the perimeter again, they give you the keyword. So we will be using the perimeter formula. Okay, this formula. We won't use A is equal to LW because they don't give us the area. And now the point is to find the width of the garden. Okay, so the first thing, let's sketch another rectangle. Okay, let's sketch this rectangle here. Okay, so we get the L and we get W here, but the length, if we go back, read the problem, the length of this rectangle is 10 feet longer. So what I put here, the is for the equal sign. You see the is here. The length is. So that's the is. That's the equal sign. 10 feet longer than. Longer than, you need to put the 10 feet a little far away here. That's what it says, longer than. So it won't be the first one you put here. You're going to put 10 feet here, plus 10. You'll get this 10, but longer than. So that's plus. So 10 feet, this is 10 feet, longer than. That's what this means. But it's width. So the first one is the width. Okay, the first one is the width. So L is equal to W plus 10. And W stays W. And the same thing again happens. It says P is equal to 184 meters. All right, that's good. And now let's solve this problem using the formula of the perimeter. So perimeter is P is equal to 2L plus 2W. So now let's plug the value of P, which is 184. Meter here. 184 is equal to 2L, but L is equal to W plus 10. So we're going to take that. Okay, we're going to take that and plug it in there. Okay, and we're going to factor W plus 10. Okay, this is for 2W, 2L plus this 2W we got here, plus 2W. Okay, so now we need to we need to distribute the 2 here. Okay, that's what we're going to do now. So we get 184 is equal to 2W plus 20. Okay, plus 2W. So we get 184 is equal to that. We're going to combine some like terms. We're going to combine some like terms. Okay, we get 2W here and we get 2W here again. So 2 plus 2, this is equal to 4W. Okay, this would be equal to 4W. So we get this guy and that guy. We add them up. 4W plus 20. And now we're going to move 20 because we don't want it here. We're going to move it to 184. So we take its opposite, minus 20 and minus 20. And we do the subtraction. So once we're here, so this is equal to 164. Okay, 164 equals 4W. So once we divide with plus 20 and minus 20, this is gone. And the last step has to do with dividing by the coefficient of W. Alright? And once we work this out, this cancels out. Okay? And we get W is equal to 16 divided by 4. This is, well, 41. Go back here to see the unit. Oh, meters. So 41 meters. And then this is what they asked for because they wanted the width of the garden. Okay? 41 meters. So now, we get this one. Find the area of a square with sides 10 meters long. This is the same as a rectangle, but with the only difference that all the 4 sides are equal. For the rectangles, we get 2 parallel sides are equal, but for the square, all the sides are equal. Okay, so let me try to sketch a square. Basically, this is a square. So it has 4 sides. It has 4 sides. You get S this side here, S there. Same thing. And each one is 10 meters. So this is equal to 10 meters. This is equal to 10 meters. And so on, 10 meters. This one is equal to 10 meters. So to find, I'm going to give you something a little bit more than that. To find the perimeter of the square, it's like you're taking the sum of all the sides of the square. So it's going to be S plus S plus S plus S. So this is equal to 4S. 4 times S. So as you can see, this is equal to 4 times 10 is 40. But this is not the question they asked. I just wanted to show that you just add all the sides here. So S plus S plus S plus S. So if I just wanted to give you something new, something extra, some kind of bonus I'm trying to give you. That's where this formula comes from. it's going to be equal to this s plus s plus s plus s. So we get s 4 times, and this is equal to 4s. This is for the perimeter of the square. But the area of the square is given by the formula. If this side is get this side and that side, you only need two sides to find the area. So it's going to be this side times this side, which is s times s. We need only two, s times s, and this is equal to s squared. If this is a square, so the area is equal to s is equal to 10. This is the 10 we got here. 10 times 10. Okay, so let me put here meters. 10 meters. So when I multiply these two, 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 10 is 100. All right, this is 100. But you see that m times m is m squared meter, squared meter. You see that m times m, this is squared meter. So this is the value of the area of the square with sides 10 meters long. Okay guys, this is the end for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share it, and I'll see you in the next video.